Christmas to you all. I hope you all are enjoying your Christmas vacations, right? So, today is 25th. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. I have come up with this exciting episode wherein we'll be speaking about the name of this episode is Be Your Own Santa. Let's speak about this, right? As per the ritual, it will start with the introduction, and I'm going to play some songs for you, right? You'll definitely love. Chalo, I welcome you all to An Academy, the best learning platform wherein you can stay at home and stay safe, right? Please stay at home, please stay safe. Even though Christmas is there, please avoid going out on places where you are there, right? Please be safe. So, Academy is the best learning platform where you can sit at home, study because we don't compromise on studies and even the fun factor which we have come up over here. I'm here for the Christmas series. We'll be having Christmas break from 25th to 31st. We'll be having different series episodes which you'll definitely enjoy. Yes, all these episodes are recorded, but I am there in the chat section. Check down. Hello everyone. Right? So look, to start with a small introduction about me, your form. So this was about me. Before we start with the episode, a small wrap up ritual, wrap up round, right? Let's finish the ritual fast. Till that time, others will also join in. To take the subscription of An Academy, there are two type of subscription wherein you get daily life classes, structured courses, live test and quizzes, and unlimited access, which you already know that 765 rupees and it starts at 75 rupees. तो प्लस हो गया तो आइकॉनिक में क्या अलग है आइकॉनिक में आपको ऑलरेडी प्लस के बेनिफिट है ही चूज no doubt you are having the benefits all the benefits of plus with you but along with that we give you a personal mentor live doubt solution and parent connect wherein parents can talk to them and understand about your performance, right? So this is what is iconic subscription starts at 71588 to subscribe for an academy course so that you can stay in the course, you can have the syllabus covered as per your examinations are there, right? ये सब कहाँ मिलेगा आपको available on an academy app, and yes, whatever fees are returned you can get more discount on that is 10% discount the code Anu, and even I guess you'll be able to use the credits which you have gained, right? With that, you're feeling more. These are some of the top educators who will be taking your sessions. Academy app. Yes, this is a comprehensive syllabus wherein you have 32 courses of science, 7 are upcoming, 24 courses of mathematics, 5 are upcoming, English upcoming, 12 courses of social science and upcoming, and इसमें ऐसे हमने है in this also for you over here. Yes, and don't forget to join the An Academy Telegram channel so that updates of upcoming episodes, upcoming sessions, right? And you can even do suggestions over there. You can even ask questions there, right? Do join this link. Yes, this is the rate chart for plus. The fee starts at 3,000 rupees, 10,000 for 6 months, 1,000 for 20,000 है, right? 1,000 for and 20,000 for 18 months. I told discounts by using code A double O, which is discount, right? देखते हैं आइकॉनिक्स का फ्री सब क्या है. आइकॉनिक फॉर 6 months 1,000 for 18 months it is 35,000 and 28,000 rupees, right? Again, same it goes 10% discount if you use the code ANO, right? Please shower your blessing by using the code ANO. Merry Christmas to you all. So we are going to start with this session wherein we'll be about be your own Santa, right? Santa Claus hota kya hai? Why do you keep? Huh? Who is Santa Claus? Someone who gives you presents. Love, right? So अगर किसी का तो ऐसे ही रहो, क्या कर सकते? Can you be this way, right? तो ये तो आज भी मैं कैप पहन चलो कंटिन्यू करते हैं इसके साथ. चलो now let's speak about be your own Santa Claus. Deserve it, right? You deserve this, your own Santa Claus. See more about this. I know you definitely like this. Being a Santa. What do you mean by being a Santa? Everybody needs a Santa Claus in their life. Why do we need that? Kind of kind and a loving person to bring them happiness, reward their goodness, and make love, right? Santa Claus. People are difficult, life is challenging and hard days, right? Whatever dreams you are having, you really need hardly, right? The struggle of doing all this worth for someone. Santa Claus चाहिए someone who appreciates us, loves us, cares. Someone who wants us to be happy. Life is the reason Santa Claus cares for us. Everyone is Santa. Somebody, grandparents, somebody may be having the best friends are their Santas. At time, at situation, somebody this is a Santa. Like for example, you are somewhere a road where you are going out and down, somebody comes there and takes you out even. So that moment, that particular person becomes your Santa, isn't it? Some other way, have so many people in our life, they some other right? So let's speak more about Santa. Isn't it wonderful of Santa Claus? Santa. Perhaps that's why we love Santa, right? Religion has got nothing to do with it, right? पूरी दुनिया में सांता क्लॉज का वेट करते हैं irrespective of you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian or whichever religion you are, right? We keep Santa Claus. Santa is loved because out. क्या होता क्या है सांता रे में all we need is this is what a Santa is. Can't you become a Santa for someone? Yes, you can Santa for someone, isn't it? तो आगे बात करते हैं इसके बाद और हाउ Santa very well expect we may very well expect others to be bestowed this care, love and appreciate us. हम दूसरों से एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं ऐसे ही किसी का बन सकते हैं सकते right? But others are often too busy running their own race or just they don't care enough. है ना लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि कोई आए मुझसे प्यार करे, कोई मुझसे अप्रिशिएट करे जो मैं कर रही हूँ। लेकिन सामने वाला होता है कि हम बेचारे अपने लाइफ में स्ट्रगल कर, वो भी अपने शांता को ढूंढ रहे हैं। शायद वो भूल गया किसी के लिए शांता बनते बनते खुद को शांता है ना। बात थोड़ी ऐसे है कि हम वेट करना चाहिए किसी ने शांता शांता आने के लिए। कभी कभी हम भी तो किसी के शांता बन सकते हैं। बड़ी देर ऑल टू गो आउट ऑफ देयर वे, किसी और को टाइम ही नहीं है ना। नॉट शांता क्लॉज किसको, isn't it? Just think, he's a man forever golden for that. सांता क्लॉज हम ऐसा है, सांता क्लॉज की बात करते तो he old man very fat has a job that demands him to race around the world to finish his पड़ता है उतने से छोटे से डेडली। Often he has to squeeze through the narrow unfriendly chimney कुटी। जो हम लोग यूरोपियन कंट्रीज देखते हैं जहाँ पे सांता का ज्यादातर स्टोरीज पढ़ते हैं, के अंदर घुसना पड़ा, इतना मोटा है, उसे चिमनी से घुस के अंदर जाके देना। Kids from around the world send him all kinds of demands and he all टायर सॉक्स सॉक्स पे डिमांड डाल देते, बेचारे को आके पढ़ना पड़ता है एंड उनको आके सोचना पड़ता है अरे इसकी डिमांड में कैसे पूरी। एक बड़ी दुनिया है उसमें उनको जाना पड़ता है। बेचारे इतने बुढ़े हैं, इतने मोटे हैं, फिर जाके पूरा करते हैं अपनी ड्यूटी, इजंट इट। ओनली एट टाइम Santa is having people in your life. Your mommy papa can be your Santa, your elder sister, elder brother, isn't it? है ना। कभी कभी तो किसी किसी सिचुएशन भी बन जाते, जैसे किसी दिन मम्मी का सर दर्द कर रहा है, बहुत परेशान है, आप तो उसकी हालत देखे बगैर बाम ले जाते हो और मम्मी को बाम लगा देते हो। उस मोमेंट आप अपने मम्मी के सांता बन गए ना, है ना। तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजों से तो हम लोग बन जाते हैं एक दूसरे के सांता, राइट। देखिए छोटी सी बेबी सोई हुई है और सांता वहां पे उसके लिए प्यारी सी है ना। नेवर गेट्स अ चेंज। देखो हर साल वही कपड़े पहन के घूमते, ना कभी रिटर्न गिफ्ट के एक्सपेक्ट करते, ना रिटर्न गिफ्ट रहते हैं। कभी सोचा है हमने सांता वापस दे दे, उनको भी गिफ्ट दे दे, सोचा ना। His home is in frigid नॉर्थ पोल की इतनी ठंडी में बेचारे रहते हैं वही कपड़े पहन के। बेचारे उनको नहीं लगता होगा कभी मैं कपड़े चेंज कर लूं, कुछ नए कपड़े पहन लूं। हम भी तो बोर हो जाते हैं अपने कपड़ों में, हम भी तो सोचते हैं कि मुझे नए कपड़े चाहिए, मैं तो बहुत बोर हो गई इस कपड़ों में, है ना। बट ही डजंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस, he is okay with it whatever he is wearing, isn't it? He hasn't even been able to upgrade his automobile yet, still travels around the world in a sleigh hundreds of years old, right? वही वो हॉट स्टार्ट व्यूज इतने सालों से, और उनके पास ना मोबाइल है ना अपडेटेड कार है, उसी से वो घूमते हैं पूरा का लगाते विश पूरी। One might think that was enough to turn by anyone cranky। कोई भी इरिटेट हो जाएगा, मैं आपको बोल दूं कि पिछले अगले 10 साल वही कपड़े पहनने हैं आपको, जो है वही यूज करना है, करो पाओगे आप? 10 दिन ना पहनो आप वो कपड़े, तुरंत बोलोगे मुझे गंदा लग रहा है, मुझे कपड़े चेंज करने हैं, मुझे चेंज चाहिए, मुझे नए कपड़े चाहिए, करेंगे हम लोग? ये सांता करता है, क्यों करता है? सभी लोगों को खुश करना है। देखिए कैसा मस्त फ्लफ सांता है, मस्त तरफ स्माइलिंग फेस करके खुश है वो, सारे गिफ्ट्स लेके घूमते हैं, है ना। Santa is jolly. He knows that life is hard, but making people happy is still worth it. He laughs, he makes you smile. स्माइल आ गई ना आपके फेस पे, इनकी स्माइल देख के, इनका स्माइलिंग फेस देख के, हमेशा हंसते रहते हमें। को पता है अगर नाराज रहूंगा ये भी तो करना है, मैं नाराज रहूंगा तो दूसरों को कैसे खुश रखूंगा। स्माइलिंग फेस भी देख के लोग भी स्माइल करेंगे, और जब मुझे देख के बाकी के लोग स्माइल करेंगे तो मुझे भी तो खुशी मिलेगी, है ना। Right. Is also a reminder to kids to be good because goodness gets rewarded. क्या बिहेव करते हैं इस रिवॉर्ड मिलता है। जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया कि मम्मी का सर दर्द कर रहा है इसलिए आपने बाम लगा दिया, आप मम्मी के शांता बन गए। जैसे मम्मी को अच्छा लगा तुरंत वो भी तो ट्रीट देती है, आपका फेवरेट खाना बनाती है, वो कुछ दे देती है, और है ना, बिकॉज यू डिड समथिंग फॉर हर व्हेन शी रियली नीडेड इट, इजंट इट। Never forgets that you really did it for her, right? Symbolizes a belief of magic. He comes and he brings happiness along, right? तो ये तो मैजिक ही हो गया ना कि मैंने कुछ विश किया और वो मुझे मिल गया, right? Comes with the message that it is great to marry. It is a greater to make others merry by sharing. Go on sharing your love so that others will also feel nice and they will also give you love in return. So तो इसी तरीके से spread, सब लोग बहुत हैप्पी रहेंगे, isn't it? So we should do this. Yes. Isn't it beautiful pic of Santa? See how beautiful the Santa is this? You know? Share your love with an open heart, and if you don't have any, go ahead and lavish it yourself. You deserve it. किसी के साथ शेयर बात कर, right? You deserve it to be happy. If you feel you have no Santa Claus in your life, be your own Santa. है ना, कोई नहीं है तो खुद के लिए जियो, खुद के लिए चीजें करो, क्यों वेट करना है किसी ने और के आपके लिए करना, राइट। दैट इजंट इजी आइदर, फैक्ट इट इज harder to be your own, right, being your own Santa than being Santa for someone else, right, because being Santa doesn't mean just giving gifts. Being Santa means believing that you good, you will get what you want, right। इसीलिए खुद के लिए सांता टफ जॉब है। I give this challenge to you all kids to be your own Santa, do good and stay happy. You'll surely get whatever you want. Just have patience. देखिए ये सांता कितना क्यूट है ना। Being a Santa means believing in miracles. Being a Santa means staying happy and sharing happiness matters, no matter what, not just on Christmas, every day, right? बस अच्छे से याद रख लीजिए, हैप्पी रहोगे, of success, right? Because when you are sad, you tend to do wrong things, right? इससे तो आप ही का लॉस होता है ना। These three things, remember always, being a Santa means with miracles, that yes, miracles do happen. Being a Santa means staying happy and sharing happiness. What? And third point, not just on Christmas but every day. सिर्फ क्रिसमस के दिन हैप्पी रहना है क्या? No, on every day try being happy. What is by being a Santa? Isn't it easy? Just believing that miracles happen and being happy and sharing happiness, right? And सिर्फ अभी नहीं करना है, throughout the year करना है आपको. This is what is being a Santa. Ooh, isn't it so cute? Being a Santa, caught in a race of life, we often forget to give priority to the one person who are most responsible for ourselves, right? But the self needs care, love, and appreciation. This is what is Santa. If you feel you have no Santa to give this to you, or even if you have one, you gotta be your own Santa, right? So ये करना है आपको का Santa बनने क्या करना है? If you're caught in your life race, often forget to give priority. हो जाता है हमसे to the person who we are most responsible for ourselves, right? इसी के लिए खुश रहे एंड भूले ना किसको प्रायोरिटी देनी है, right? But the self needs care, love, and appreciation. We need to see to it that care for ourselves, love ourselves, and appreciate ourselves. This is what we really need to do, right? If you feel you know Santa, give this year to you. Even if you have one, to be your own Santa. You need to be your own Santa. See this beautiful Santa smile. Smile. Let's see your own Santa के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए, right? First thing, believe in your dreams. हमेशा अपने ड्रीम से बिलीव कीजिए. Just as tenaciously and lovingly as kids believe in their Santa. The way for me, my Santa is my mom, dad. So I keep on believing in those things, right? Life is full of magic. Anything can happen. Just believe and hold on to hopes, right? Always keep the hopes and hold on all these things. Believe that goodness gets rewarded. Maybe not at once, but it will get rewarded one day, fulfilling your life with happiness, right? So you should always believe that goodness gets rewarded. ये बच्चे रहो, आपको हमेशा रिवॉर्ड मिलता रहेगा. Don't forget that. You should believe. Laugh with an open heart. You should always be happy and laugh with your open heart. Because no matter how hard your life is, you still deserve to be merry, right? You should be always happy. हमेशा खुश रहना है, हंसते रहना है, right? The hard race of life, find moments happy and allow yourself to enjoy them fully, right? You should enjoy fully the life. हमेशा happy रहना है, खुश रहना है, right? So I want you to be always happy, right? You'll be, right? Promise me that you'll be always happy. I want to see the promises in the message box. Santa is trying to talk to you. See how beautifully he's talking to you. He has become red. He is so happy that he has become red. Share your love. You should share your love with others and with yourself by doing something special, different, something out of the way. Surprise yourself. Our life often becomes a slave of routine. हो जाता है कि वही रोज करो, वही सुबह उठ जाओ, वही सुबह नाश्ता करो, वही सुबह चाय पियो, फ्रेश हो जाओ, नहा लो, फिर वापस स्टडीज के लिए बैठ जाओ. वही रूटीन हो जाता है ना. कभी कभी हम लोग बोर हो जाते हैं. So try to take a movement out of this routine just to fill your heart with happy and eyes with glitter of fun. इसीलिए तो हम लोग फन फन फैक्टर रखते हैं ना. हम लोग भी वैसे क्विजेस रखते हैं, कुछ फन करते रहते हैं. Isn't it? We will definitely continue in doing that. So you will not be slave of. सिर्फ पढ़ाई भी तो नहीं करनी चाहिए, मस्ती भी तो करनी चाहिए. हाँ, I know you people are not able to go out and play with your friends. No worries. We'll see to it that we have a lot of fun online also. There's so many ways wherein we can have fun online, and you know that we already did that, right? जैसे हमने दिवाली ब्रेक में किया था, वैसे ही ब्रेक में किया है. Whatever recorded series are there, do watch that. We have a lot of many recorded sessions for you. And I'm there with you in the recorded session for the in the live chat so that you'll not miss me over there, right? Because I also miss you a lot. And yes, I'll be there with you. We'll be meeting online on Unacademy Learning app over there. We are definitely there for special classes. Cute, isn't it? Just 1 second. The laptop battery. See that Santa showing you a heart saying love you. So I love you all. What else do you need to do? Pamper yourself, right? You deserve it, pampering yourself. Not necessary, you always require someone else to pamper you. It's true that Santa is not just about gifts, हाँ, सांता सिर्फ गिफ्ट्स के बारे में नहीं, लगता है ना हमें, hesitated pampering you, then go and purchase. You can make a greeting card for yourself, right? You can make a doodle for yourself. You can make a video for yourself, isn't it? ये तो कर सकते हो अपने लिए। वैसे ही आप आपके सांता के लिए कर सकते हो। के लिए कौन है आपका सांता? मम्मी, पापा, या भाई बहन, या कोई फ्रेंड, उनके लिए भी तो कर सकते हो। कभी कभी तो अपनी फेवरेट टीचर भी अपनी सांता होती है ना? You know, my first teacher in my life who used to teach KG to 4th standard. I still love her, I still call her, I still talk to her. For me, in a way, she was Santa. She is Santa for me also. You know, she's my Santa. One of my Santa is she also because I really love her, miss her. So I try to talk to her. Just imagine, मैंने first standard में उनसे पढ़ा था, first standard. है ना? Isn't it wonderful? Trust me, gifts work wonderfully well to cheer you up. You are feeling gloomy. Um, and you know what's the best thing of gift? What is that? Something that you not need to possess the secrecy of your heart. पता है ना, जैसे कि मुझे याद है एक हमारी स्टूडेंट है गरिमा जो बोल रही थी कि मैम आई विश, वो हमारे ग्रुप पे भी बात हो रही थी सबके, आई विश माई आई लव टू रीड बुक्स, आई विश माई पापा गिव्स मी 3 बुक्स। दैट वाज नॉट अ नीड, राइट? बुक्स के बिना भी वो जी सकती थी, बट दैट वाज डिजायर, सीक्रेट डिजायर टू हैव दैट बुक्स, एंड her father really gifted her those books. Isn't it good? Something that you know, bring a smile on your lips. So she was so happy to get that books. This was just an example, one example that we know because she shared with us. You also must be having so many secret desires, isn't it? But gift yourself a smile, isn't it? The best gift which you can give, best gift you can give, and best thing you can pamper yourself by giving a smile. Every day morning when you get up, you can mirror, smile, and say, love you, the person. I love the person who is there in the mirror, right? If you love the person who is there in the mirror, life will be easy. You'll feel loved, right? If you don't love yourself, how will others love you? First, learn to love yourself. Others will automatically love you, isn't it? Santa is doing skating in नॉर्थ पोल। नॉर्थ पोल में रह रहा है, बर्फ है तो क्या करेगा बेचारा। वी शुड नो से दैट ही इज द ओनली पर्सन स्टेइंग इन नॉर्थ पोल, इजंट इट? Your own Santa, because you need it and you deserved it, right? So don't forget to be your own Santa because you need it and you deserve it. Promise me you love yourself, right? I do this every morning. Whenever I get up, I do watch the mirror and I say to myself, I love you. I see the person who is there in the mirror and say that I love you and I really deserve to be happy in my life. So I try to become my own Santa by loving myself, isn't it? Don't wait others for you to come and you, right? I hope you enjoyed this session. We'll be coming up with many more things like this, right? Merry Christmas to you once again. Stay tuned in. I was already there in the chat box and we had a lot of fun over there also, right? And this is just one first episode. We are coming up with many more series. 2 episodes we'll be having on mysteries of the earth, the different mysterious places on the earth. We're having 2 episodes on that, and as usual on Sunday we'll be having the next episode of Unsung Warriors of Bharatvarsh, wherein we are coming with a person called as Bappa Raval. Let's see on Sunday who is this Bappa Raval, isn't it? Yes, don't forget to subscribe. So this is the plus subscription which starts at 1 month for 3,000, 6 months 10,000, 15 months for 18,000, 18 months at 20,000, and you can see over here the fees has got reduced from 18,000 to 16,200. This is 10% discount if you use my code, isn't it? And here also you have used the code, you get 10% discount. So any course you take in, any duration you take in, use the code ANOO. getting 16%, 10% discount through the code ANOO. There's the iconic subscription, which is 6 months at 17,000, 32,000 for 15 months, 35,000 for 18 months. But if you use the code ANOO, it is 1,500. सी अगर इधर कोड यूज करते हो तो 15 मंथ्स में जितना है उतने से कम में आपका 18 मंथ्स का हो गया, isn't it? So definitely use the code ANOO. 24 months it is 48,000, but use the code it becomes 43,800. So do the code. What is the code? ANOO. So don't forget to use this code. Yes, let's crack CBSE 6th standard channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and join the Telegram channel so that you'll be getting the updates. Bye bye. Merry Christmas once again. I hope you really enjoy your Christmas, isn't it? See ya. Bye bye. Stay tuned in for further episodes. Ta ta.